Okay. Now, in this example, we're going to use long division to find the quotient of x cubed minus x squared plus 4x minus 9. And we're going to divide that old school long division by x minus 4. So that's what we want to do here. Okay, so, all right. So we ask the same question, sorry. We want to see how many times does x go into x cubed? Okay. What do you multiply times x to get x cubed? You get an x squared there. Okay. As a matter of fact, yeah, x squared. So x squared times x is x cubed. Okay. However, we do have the minus 4. So we have to distribute that. Look what we're doing. We're going x squared times x minus 4. That's what we're doing. So that's going to give us the x cubed. And then this is going to give us minus 4x cubed. Okay. So I'm going to write that here. Okay. And I'm going to be careful to subtract that. X cubed minus x cubed, that's gone. But we got a negative 8x squared minus a negative 4x squared. That is going to be a negative 4x squared. All right. So let's go ahead and bring down 4x. And what do we multiply times x to get a negative 4x squared? Well, we need a negative 4 and we need an x. Right? Because negative 4x times x is a negative 4x squared. Okay? But now we have to perform negative 4x times x minus 4. All right, and if we do that, you see we have a negative 4x squared minus, that's going to be a positive 16x. All right, so that's what we're going to put here. We have a negative 4x squared, make sure I subtract these, plus 16x. Plus 16x. Okay. Making sure that we are subtracting. You know, this is going to go. Matter of fact, I'm going to just, we know that's going to always be the case. Okay. Now we got a 4x minus a 16x. Okay. That is going to give us a negative 12x. I want to write that a little better than that. Negative 12x. All right, let's give myself a little room here. Oops. All right, let's give ourselves a little room there. And we're going to bring down our minus 9 there. Okay, let's continue to ask the questions we need to ask. X times what is a negative 12x? Well, negative 12. So I'm going to come up here and put a negative. Negative 12 times x minus 4. That's what I need to figure out. That's going to give me a negative 12x plus a 48, positive 48. Okay, so let's go ahead and now it looks like I need a little more room. I'm actually see if I can shrink this screen just a little bit. Oops, it's having an app. Yes. Shrink it. Oh, I guess I can't shrink it. All right. Normally I've been able to shrink it, but not letting me do it this time. Okay, so I'll just bring it up and let's see. We've already done the multiplication, so we got a negative 12x plus 48. Okay. Again, make sure that we are subtracting. Okay, of course, we know that's going to be gone. All right, and now we got a -9. You see how I'm reading this out loud so I won't get it wrong? -9 minus, minus 48. Well, that is going to be a -57. Okay, do I have anything else to bring down? No, I brought down everything. So now this problem is different in that we have a remainder. Okay, we actually have a remainder. So how do we handle remainders? Okay, we write them basically. We're gonna write them, bring them up here, and it is a -57. We're gonna go minus 57 over whatever we were dividing by. And we're dividing by x minus 4. And so that gives us our quotient. Okay? And there's your example of long division to find the quotient, this time when it does not divide evenly. You write it like this.